how can I design a coherent and cost-effective approach in order to adopt new technologies?
Let me start here from, the fact that we adopt new technologies, emerging technologies, because ultimately we want to achieve a business goal. Of course, these emerging technologies, new technologies, bring risks, and very often high risks to the security of our organizations, or they increase the risk of privacy abuses. Now, I would suggest that you start from an approach, and can be a very easy, simple framework, but a framework that allows you to see these risks in connection to security and privacy together with the business goals that we are trying to achieve. So when a marketing colleague of your colleagues from the digital team comes to you and say, well, we want to use a new technology, never start that discussion with, oh no, we cannot do that. Rather, work with them to figure out what's the best way to still enable them to allow to achieve what they want to achieve, and at the same time using security controls and policies and processes to mitigate the risks up to the level that is consistent with your standards. This way, they will perceive you as a business partner that actually enables them to do what they want to do. And also, as a result, they might learn more about those privacy and security risks, which will make your work easier. There are so many new GDPR-labeled products and technology out there. But let me tell you two things. The first one is that GDPR compliance requires extensive work in companies' governance, processes, people skills, and systems. Technology is a piece of this, but is one piece of a broader picture. On the other hand, you don't really need new technology to comply with the GDPR. We need much of what we have been using for a while. Identity and access management, for example, deployed consistently with the purpose limitation principle, for example, or encryption with strong encryption key management or robust anonymization. However, there are some interesting developments in automation and machine learning that can help for GDPR compliance. Think about automated discovery of structured and unstructured data, for example, or think about machine learning applied to GDPR compliance programs and data protection impact assessment. Those can be very useful for GDPR compliance.